Hey Anglers, this is Alex with Acute Angling. Today we're going to walk you through how to apply for your Brazilian visa. So first off, we have a step-by-step guide that we will send out and attach with this that will walk you through how to do everything in addition to what we're going to do here in the video. But we'll have links and different things like that as well. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Brazilian visa application site. It's called the eVisa. So you're going to need a few things beforehand. Obviously, you need a passport with at least 6 months of eligibility from the time that you enter the country. You also will need to have a picture of the bio page of your passport. We'll show you how to do that. You'll also need a picture of yourself with a white background. Again, we'll talk you through how to do that, and also flight information. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go here to the visa site and click Apply eVisa Now. Okay, once we get that to load, we're going to put our information in here. Enter in your email address. Nationality, again, this only works for citizens of the US, Canada, and Australia, and phone number. And then you're going to click Get OTP. OTP is just a one-time password. You're going to click on that. It's going to be emailed to you. So I quickly got the email for the OTP, enter it in here, and then click Sign Up. If for some reason you don't do it fast enough, you need them to resend it, just hit this button here. We're going to sign up. So on this information here, we're going to walk through and enter it all in here. Your passport number, current nationality, visa type is a visitor visa, purpose of travel, we're going to do tourism since we're out fishing. Applying for yourself, obviously you're applying for yourself. Enter in all of your information here, and then we'll go to the next section. Okay, so here we got to where we're going to upload our documents. So with the passport bio page, again, you're going to just take a picture even of the bio page with the signature on it, and a photograph of yourself. Just stand in front of a white wall or have somebody take a picture of you, take a picture, send those things to yourself. And then travel documents aren't necessarily required. It would probably be good to have those on hand. You'll need those potentially. And so those are the first two things that we're going to do. So I'm going to upload my own, and then we'll continue on to the next one. Now that we entered in that information, here we're going to upload our documents. So here it needs the passport bio page. We just need to have a picture of the bio page of our passport. So on here it says that you have to scan it and that pictures aren't allowed, but it actually does allow you to upload a photo. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit Edit and Upload. Shows a perfect example right here. We're going to choose our file. If you need to crop it down, you can crop it in here. Otherwise, just crop it beforehand. So we're going to do the same thing with the photo here. Obviously, here's a good example. Just need a picture of yourself in front of a white wall. Click Choose File. So a note here on the travel documents, basically if you have them, upload them. If you don't have them yet, you are able to proceed without them. Again, eventually you're going to need to have that information, but for now we're going to hit Save and Continue. So once we get these images uploaded, we're going to go down here and click Save and Continue. It's going to take you to passport details. I'm going to skip that page so that stays confidential, but all that stuff's going to be taken just straight from your passport into the sections for passport details. Next, we have the travel details. I'm going in August, so you're going to put in your estimated arrival date, planned period of stay in days, and then you're going to enter in the scheduled date of stay, so that's when you're going to leave, answer the question if you've been to Brazil, and any additional details of the travel. After you enter in your travel details, you're going to enter in your home address details. Enter in your address, country, city, zip code, however you'd like to be contacted. But down here, when it says, do you have any contact in Brazil? You're going to hit yes. We have Eddie, who is our Manaus host. He's the one who will meet you at the airport, take you to the hotel, back and forth. He's awesome. So we'll provide that information to you as well that you can just copy and paste into the document here. Here's the information that we're going to enter in for Eddie. Eddie Walla, here's his address, country, state is Amazonas. Just put friend for the relationship. Add his cell phone number, which will be included here and also in the travel document guide. Next, it'll take us to additional details. So on here, select if you have a legal representative or like to add one. I'm going to say no for mine. And then down here, you're going to enter in if you have any other nationalities, your occupation, including your job description. None of this other stuff is required, so if you'd like to put it in, you're welcome to. I'm just going to add in my profession or occupation. After I enter in my occupation, I'm just going to put fishing activities here. And obviously we're not going to be performing any work in Brazil, so we're just going to select no for the bottom question. After we complete that information, We're just going to get here to the payment window. So it's $80.90. So I'm just going to hit accept, agree, and continue to payment. Once you complete the payment, that's it. You should receive your visa shortly. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to reach out to us.